It's very important to know how does a company make its own money. So in the app, we show you how does a company make its revenue from both countries and segments. You will find this information towards the bottom of any stock detail page you're looking into. And here, we're using Johnson & Johnson as example. The level of diversification insight you're getting here is actually quite useful. Traditionally, Johnson & Johnson is perceived as a domestic US company, and people may have thought that vast majority of its sales come from domestic markets. But as a matter of fact, as you can see here, nearly half of the sales, 47.8% to be exact, comes from international markets. And if you look into the revenue by segments, you can see Johnson & Johnson generates revenue from three main business segments: pharmaceutical, medical services, and consumer. So as a household consumer brand, vast majority of the sales of Johnson & Johnson is actually coming from other parts of the business, such as pharmaceutical and medical services. Once again, without looking into this detail, you would have thought Johnson & Johnson is simply a single country, single segment company. But as a matter of fact, it is much more diverse than that. And that is the purpose of this breakdown section here. And right after the breakdown section, we also have the additional information section. It tells you many basic but also very important facts of a company. So as you can see here, we have first the description for Johnson & Johnson, some basic information about its country of exchange, that is where it's listed, its sector, industry, sub-industry, its ISIN, and then more importantly, some of the important dates for Johnson & Johnson, such as its next dividend payment, its ex-dividend payment, and its next reporting date. Knowing these dates are quite important for you to track a company like Johnson & Johnson.